Have you ever wondered what you need to do to keep your skills relevant in the project management profession? What is it that you need to do to compete into the next decade? As many of you are aware, companies are investing in technology at an ever greater rate to fill some of the labor gaps that they have in certain skills and in certain jobs. For example, many of the left brain functions like accounting, research, analysis, dangerous work, and highly cognitive work are now being done by artificial intelligence. As computing power expands, there is no job that is safe from technology replacing humans. So what can you do to stay relevant into the next decade, to compete against artificial intelligence? Well, there's one thing that you can do to be more effective. And believe it or not, it's to work on your human skills. The one thing that will differentiate you from all of your peers is your ability to connect, to communicate, to build teams, to motivate, to engage, to help people understand the why and the meaning behind things that to date computers just can't do. Now, why is it important that you work on these skills? Well, unfortunately, the irony is because of expanding technology, many of us are relying more and more on big data, on technology, even our smartphones. And that's had a big impact on our ability to communicate at a human-to-human level. We are losing many of the skills that will help us to succeed all the way through this decade into the next. My name is Spencer Horn, and for the last 29 years, I have been in leadership roles, helping executives and leaders to improve their leadership, their communication, their emotional intelligence, how they handle conflict, how they motivate and engage their teams, their direct reports, how they influence without authority. This has been my life's work for the last 29 years. And on October 20th, I am coming to Syracuse to meet with you at the PMI Syracuse chapter for your professional development day. And we will spend the entire day working on these skills. This will be fun, this will be interactive, this will be engaging, this will be challenging. And you will receive skills that you can take home and apply immediately for your success in your career and in your personal life. I look forward to meeting with you in October. Register today.